Hey Brad, Paul Heck with Grassfire Digital Marketing. Fred Amar said that you had reached out to him about some of your website needs, and I just wanted to send you this quick video showing you just some things of what I see from the search side of things for your business and how we could help you grow over and above just maybe redoing some things on your website. So really looking at this from the perspective of like, how do I help you grow your business there in Portland? I've got your website up, and you got a fun little kind of memorable, I think, logo there that's pretty cool. And you've got some great images on the site. What I'm seeing is just that there's not enough content. So the thing that Google is looking for when they're trying to rank you for your services, do you have the right content on your website? Does it have enough content? We always recommend a minimum of 1,500 words of content. It needs to be keyword rich, so you need to know what those keywords are, and I'll show you some of those in just a moment. And there just has to be enough content around those keywords, and then mention those in a certain number of times. That's all about getting the content right on your site. The second thing is what we call backlinks. So these are other websites that are going to refer to yours and pass power to your site in Google's eyes. That is going to be the number two thing that's going to help you move up in the search rankings. So first we have to have the content there. The second thing is we have to build backlinks that are strong sites that are pointing to your site and powering up those keywords. The third thing is what we call citations. So this is getting your website and your business listed on online directories. So that's where your NAP, your name, address, and phone number are listed on online directories, so that we're building a big web presence. We also do this by making sure you have social media channels set up. We always recommend 5 different social media channels. This is not something you necessarily have to post to on 5 different channels, but if you do, it's going to be more helpful. But just having those setups will help Google just know that like you've got a bigger presence out there. So these are all things that I always tell a business owner that they can do themselves, but it does take a lot of time and a lot of effort and just kind of strategy, knowing exactly what to do. And if that's something that you would rather focus on your business and growing your business from the operation side of things, then we can come in and help you grow this on the online side of things and really just kind of take that marketing effort over for a business owner and just really partner with you and help you grow. All right, so I typed in acupuncture Portland, Oregon, just to see who pops up. You've got a couple of places that are running some sponsored ads here. You've got the map section where you've got Willow Tree and the Wellbridge Clinic and Acupuncture Northwest popping up in the map. This is something that we want to additionally help you strengthen. This is done by your Google business profile. It's done by reviews. It's done by having keywords in the actual content, keywords in the photos that we upload, different posts that we can make, and even some of the products that we can put on there will help boost you up in that map section. So that's something that we also help with. And then you've got the organic section here where Acupuncture Center of Portland is number 1, Working Class Acupuncture number 2, and then you got this Portland Monthly, this is number 3, and then the Wellbridge Clinic down here number 4. So you definitely want to try to be in this top 3 section here. I can tell you that a majority of the search content is going to go to the person in the first position. So that's the ultimate goal, is to get you in that number 1 position. And I'll show you some of the ways that we do that. So looking at your website, this is a program called Ahrefs. It just gives me a glimpse of like what's going on your site, what kind of backlinks do you have now, what kind of keywords are you being found for, and just overall how strong your site is. In this case, your site is very, very weak, and you don't have any backlinks coming into your site. You're only being found for 3 keywords, and you have had 0 traffic on it on the site in the last 3 months from someone searching for you. So that's something that we want to help change, and I'll show you what some of the other guys are doing, just so you kind of know what the competition's doing and what the effort would look like to get up there. So you got Acupuncture Center of Portland. They're in the number 1 position. They've got some content on their site that is helping them out. Just have some keywords on there as well. Again, there's not a lot of content here. This is not a site that's going to be super hard to beat in the overall scheme of things. And then I'll show you what they're doing. So their site is a 4.2 on the domain rating scale and a 10 on the UR scale. You can see they have some backlinks coming in through 27 different ways or places or URLs. And that's giving them some traffic. I mean, these are, to rank in the number 1 position, these backlinks have got to be fairly strong. They want to be sort of specific to your industry, so you wouldn't want like a construction backlink coming in. That's not going to help you that much. I mean, it might help you just a tad, but something that's more in health and wellness is definitely going to be a link that would help you, and we'll definitely help you get those. They have 236 traffic coming through their site a month. So imagine if you had 200 people landing on your web page, what that could do for your business, and helping you to and just strengthen that. Looking at some of the keywords that they're actually being found for. So acupuncture Portland gets searched 400 times a month. Now, that's a 34 in the keyword difficulty. That is going to require some pretty high power backlinks and an amount of time to get there. But it's something that you definitely want to strive for, because that's a lot of significant volume for that particular keyword. You got a couple of other ones here that are Portland specific. You got 100 volume on that one, 90 volume on that one. Best acupuncture Portland, and they're 80. Again, you can see some of these keywords are a little bit more, easier to rank for. That's 12. Acupuncturist Portland, 70 searches. So you can start to see adding up. There's probably, out of all of these kind of Portland locally branded keywords, there's probably close to 1,000 searches going on every month for your services. So it's looking at what's the best strategy to get ranked for those particular keywords and coming up with that. You've got the Wellbridge site over here. For some reason, it's having a little bit tough time loading for me, but they've got content on their site that you would need to get onto your site just to be able to start ranking for some of your services, and you outline those, talk about those, interject those keywords into that actual content, breaking it down in small sections, kind of like they've done on this site. That's sort of how they do that. And looking at their site, the strength of it, 6 on the domain rating and 7 on the URL rating of the site. Not super strong from that side. They do have a good start on the backlinks, and a pretty good ratio of the backlinks. But we go in and look at these and figure out exactly which ones do we need to, can we copy that they have, or can we, get some new ones to overtake them. 182 traffic coming their way off of 242 keywords. So that's in a nutshell of like what I'm doing. It's all about the content on your website. Is it keyword rich? Is there enough content? Is it in the right places? Backlinks, building backlinks to the site specifically for those keywords, powering up those keywords, going specific backlinks coming to specific pages. That's going to help you boost up in the ranking, and then get your name, address, and phone number listed on a quantity of citations that's above and above, beyond what your competitor's doing. So they're always kind of playing second place. I'd like to talk with you further and see if we can help you build your business. This is something you're interested in. My name is Paul Heck, and with Grassfire Digital Marketing, and I'm at 479-326-7899. And I'll send you that info in the email that I sent over as well. Hope to talk to you soon. Thanks.